Hello guys, what's up? This is Tayyab from Tech. In this lecture, I am going to teach you how to download Sublime text and setup. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like videos and share with your friends. And one more important thing, give me your suggestion in the comment sections. What kind of video do you want? I would love to hear your suggestions. Okay, so let's start. First of all, let me open my Chrome. Okay, so as you can see, it's my Chrome setup. Okay, so let me write Sublime text. Okay, so I just Sublime. So there is Sublime text 3. Be sure you click here, sublimetext.com. It will be original websites, and yes, like this. Here is another one, setting up Sublime text. Okay, so okay, let me click here, Sublime text 3. And another one also, Sublime have this one, Sublime merge. If you want to use Git, then it. Okay, so let's move. First check here which base you are using, OS, Windows and Linux. As I am using Windows, so that I will be download this one, and my device is 64-bit. You can check what do I say, maybe if you have 32, then you can download this one. Okay, I want a portable version, so let me click here. Okay, so I am using extensions so that there will be some options. Just in some seconds it will be complete downloaded, and then we will start. Okay, fix setting authorization. It's about to. I don't know what is the issue with network. Okay. Okay, it's around to finish. Okay, now let me open this one. Oh my god, here is Sublime text, you can see here. Okay, as it is my open Sublime text. Okay, so let me give you one demo. Okay, first of all let me create a folder like basics. Oh, misspelling. Okay, so here is. Now let me open my Sublime text. Okay, so here is a file, open folder. I will be open a folder, and it's in my D. Okay, so here is my folder. Okay, and new file. Hello. So let me zoom here. Hello.html. Okay, it will be saved in basics. Okay, so let me write here HTML. Okay, so that like basics and H1 Hello Tayyab, you can write your name. Oh, so simple. Okay, so that was our, in this lecture we just download Sublime text and write some simple h1 tag like this. Okay, so we will start writing our about script. Okay, JavaScript. So in the next video we are going to start our JavaScript tutorial. Stay tuned with us and tell us what kind of video do you want in the description in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Okay, let's meet in the next video. Have a good day.